Hello customer, thank you for visiting our portfolio. So without wasting much of your time, let's get straight to the business. The project we are going to present you is of a logistics company in India having around 80 fleets. So the problem they were facing was they used to maintain an Excel workbook with around 80 worksheets, which means they had a separate worksheet for each fleet. Whenever user had to create a new detail or look for an older detail, he used to manually navigate between those worksheets to find the relevant one. Also, a central database of all the trucks was not maintained, due to which the KPI analysis like total distance traveled, total profit or loss, loss making routes, loss making customers, and other logistics industry KPIs was not possible. So now let me tell you how we solve their burning problem the way we can solve your problems too. Now, as you can see on your screen, we created this form for the client in which the user can enter the trip details which he earlier used to record. Now I have filled these details for you. After filling these details, user simply has to go to the bottom and click on the submit button. Now what this submit button does is, it does two things. First, as you can see, there's a vehicle number here. The first thing which this submit button does is, it looks for this worksheet among these worksheets and enter this detail in that particular worksheet. And the second thing it does is, it also enters these details into a master worksheet which includes the details of all trucks. So now let us go and click on submit. Now let us see what just happened. Now the vehicle number here is 4240. Now we'll go to the 4240 worksheet and you will see that this row is created just now when we clicked on the submit button. Now this worksheet has only this vehicle number. And the second thing which happened is, when you click on the master, you will see this is an active row. This row is created just now when we clicked on the submit button. To show you with some more clarity, as you can see, this is on 12th row for now and this is on the 7th row for now. Let us go again and click on the submit button. Now if we again go to this vehicle sheet, you see 8th row is created here and a 13th row is created here. Also, whenever a new vehicle is entered, let's say I created a new vehicle with vehicle number 7. Now what will happen is, so as you can see, a new worksheet is created with this 47 vehicle number, and when you go on the master, a new worksheet, a new row is created here. So that's it from my side. At Nemesis, we are committed to over deliver. Looking forward to doing business with you. Call us now.